Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix battery draining issue on your Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G. So if you encountered such an issue, it is quite fortunate for you that you chose this model, as they made it quite easy to resolve this problem on your phone. All you have to do is go to settings, then in settings find and open battery menu. And in this menu, of course, you can always change the current mode from balanced or performance to battery saver, which will save you the most time of smartphone usage by restricting some features of your smartphone. So you can also always enable battery saver and have your battery lifespan increased by about 20%. Or you can also enable go to Battery Checkup and just tap at 8 minutes or at whatever time you have here by closing background apps. Besides, you can also use other features you find right here. For example, you can turn on dark mode. You can clear memory 10 minutes after locking device. You can disable location services. You can turn off haptic feedback, don't wake up screen for notifications, and lock device after 15 seconds of inactivity. As you can see, in summary, it gives us 2.5 hours of usage this device extra. So you just have to tap at 2 hours 26 minutes, then close. And then, moreover, you can also enable battery saver mode to save even more battery on your device. Now, besides, scroll down to apps list, and here you'll find the applications that use up your battery power the most, and you can disable them. You can disable their background activity or uninstall the apps that you don't recognize here. To restrict a background activity for an application, you're gonna have to select it and then change battery saver restrictions to restrict background apps. Tap OK. And this way you will restrict background activity for a selected application. Now, if you want to uninstall an application that you don't recognize and that uses a lot of your battery power, you just have to select it and tap uninstall. Or if you cannot uninstall it, then just force stop it here. And yeah, that's basically it. Now, if you want to fix battery draining in long term, you just have to go to battery protection menu, and here you can either enable smart charging, which will adapt to your routine and will not overcharge your device's battery by making the charging process last when you usually unplug the charging cable from your smartphone. Or you can enable battery protection to not worry about battery overcharging at all. But this way your battery will only charge up to 80% level, then your smartphone will stop charging, and this way you will increase your device's battery lifespan overall. So that's how you fix battery draining issue on your smartphone. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.